Hi guys, it's Thursday, April 30th, and it was great to see many of you yesterday at our office hours. That will be every Wednesday, same times for different hours. So if you didn't get a chance to join us, come in next week. Again, it was just more of casual talking and seeing what people are up to and how they're doing and if they had any questions about the paper. So for today, here's your slide. I'm just going to see if this one's faster if I open this one that I already have open. I have two slides here, and today's April 30th, day 4. Learning targets. I can use feedback to make my final revisions on to the draft of my explanatory essay. I can use a rubric as a guide to complete an embedded assessment successfully. So you're going to finish with your revising your paper. Again, revision assistant, yes, there was a couple glitches yesterday because I put it in a in-class assignment versus a homework one, and then it wasn't working right, but we got it figured out when we were doing our office hours. We figured that out during the third hour class. So that should be working if you didn't get a chance to put it in yesterday. Also have a parent today review your paper, have them go in and read it and edit and make spelling changes and that kind of stuff. And here is, if you do get to that point, remember the final draft's not going to be due till Tuesday because there's no school Friday and Monday. So here is a checklist, and I'll have it up today and on Tuesday. But just talking about how to format your paper. So the size, what font, all that kind of stuff, and just some tips for you to read. So make sure you look at the daily slide because that's where this is located. And I'll have it in today's folder and next Tuesday. So going back to the folder, I included the checklist, which I also had yesterday. And again, remember the checklist is just things like, do you have a topic sentence, a thesis statement, those kind of things, evidence. So it's a checklist for you and your parent. And then I also included revision assistant in case you didn't watch the video yesterday and you weren't sure how to get into it and use it again, because we've only used it a few times this year. So I put it back in the folder again for today. Another thing I also did, if you go back to the distance learning folder, there is your rough draft that you've been working on. I created the document, you typed right in there. Now I made a final draft one, because I know before when we used the revision assistant and you copied and pasted it in there, made changes, then we deleted this. So instead of doing that, I just made a different final draft. So when you're ready to copy and put your final draft into this document, it is available for you already. Again, that is not due till next Tuesday. And again, it's not necessarily due right at the beginning of class. You're going to get to make sure that you do all those things on that other green slide that I just showed on Tuesday. So Tuesday you get to touch up and make sure everything's perfect on Tuesday. So Tuesday will be the final day of just polishing everything up, making sure you have double space and all those kind of things and that it's perfect. Again, make sure you email me if you have any questions, need some clarification on something. So you have now until Tuesday to have this ready to work. Just keep it all ready. So when Thursday, what would it be, Wednesday then that Wednesday you should be done. All right. So you don't need to have it done Tuesday morning when you get up, like before you go to bed on Monday. It's, you have Tuesday to finish it up. All right. So again, email me if you have any questions. Have a great weekend.